Hey yo, I'm back again. Okay, so I'm back again. Yes, as you can see, my orange color is stripped out. Yes, I did the apple cider vinegar and baking soda rinse, and that totally stripped out what's left of my orange color. So I decided to get me another other color to color my locks again, but this time I'm not going to be doing the orange again. I'm going to be doing the violet gem color from the Ado collection, and that's the 114. Okay, so I'm going to be trying this color and I hope it comes out okay, so stay tuned. Start by putting some coconut oil around my edges, my gloves, my mixing bowl, my bands. I'm going to section my hair in 3. Yeah. That seemed a lot darker like then I imagined. Okay, so I'm starting with this right here. Alright, so wow, what a mess. I'm going to have this on for an hour, and then I'll apply my conditioner and leave it on another hour, and then I'll wash off. So I'll be back to show you the end result. Okay guys, so this is my end color. Yes, I must say I'm a bit disappointed with this one. This was not what I was expecting at all, but at this point there's nothing I can do, so I guess I'm stuck with this for a while. Okay, so I had it on for a total of 2 hours, 1 hour and an extra hour with my conditioner, after which I washed off, and this is the end result. Okay, so let me know what you think about this color. This is the Ado semi-permanent hair color 114. Okay, so let me know what you think, what's your thoughts. All right, so until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.